The Omega DeVille, one of the most gorgeous dials that is made by Omega, and one of the coolest watches I think Omega offers. All the details of this watch. Look, it has the crystal case side here, all the way around. Where do you find a watch like this by any other manufacturer? Look, if you want a stunning watch with a lot of wild features that you don't find anywhere else, but are a little bit subtle, just an absolute conversation piece, you can see all the way through the movement. I mean, the kind of money that you pay for a watch like this brand new, but you can buy it pre-owned here, really $4,230 from us. It's in mint condition, never been worn, or if it has, it's been worn for 5 seconds. You can see the movement in the back. This is the ultimate Christmas gift, holiday gift, birthday gift, anniversary gift, you name it. The DeVille, what an amazing piece. If you're tired of playing the Rolex game and you want to play something else, this is it. The Omega DeVille. Find it at SwissWatchExpo.com.